Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about solfege. Solfege is a method of teaching sight singing and ear training where syllables are assigned to each note in a scale. This is an Italian method attributed to Benedictine monk Guido d'Arezzo. Words associated with solfege include solfa, solfeggio, and solmization. For ear training, we often begin with the syllables in a major scale, which are do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, and ti. Solfege was famously featured in the 1965 film, The Sound of Music. Today, I'll be giving an overview of the major and pentatonic syllables used and providing exercises for beginners. Let's take the C major scale. Before we start singing, just a few tips. If you're able, play this exercise on a piano prior to performing it to get yourself orally grounded. Also, you can check for pitch accuracy by playing the notes on a piano while singing. Listen for any notes that sound out of tune with the piano. So now let's sing this first major ascending and descending scale 2 times in a row. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. These are all the syllables we'll use for the major scale. Let's now sing the C pentatonic scale using solfege, meaning that we'll take away fa and ti, which are leading tones in the scale. The remaining pentatonic scale sounds like this. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Now let's move on to some great solfege exercises to strengthen your ear training skills. The first 2 exercises are just the major and pentatonic scales. The final exercises are major scales with syllables omitted, and you'll only sing what you see. Here's your starting pitch, and we'll sing the following scale ascending and descending. Here we go. Exercise 1. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Here's exercise 2. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Here's exercise 3. Do, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, do, do. Here's exercise 3, descending. Do, do, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, do. Here's exercise 4. Do, mi, re, mi, sol, la, sol, mi. Here's exercise 4, descending. Mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, mi, do. Here's exercise 5. Do, mi, sol, ti, do, la, sol, mi. Here's exercise 5, descending. Mi, sol, la, do, ti, sol, mi, do. Here are some final tips to remember. You can make your starting pitch any pitch that feels good for you. I use C4 here, but you can use any starting pitch. Next, try playing the respective notes on a piano while you sing the first few times. It may be rough, but you'll get better, I promise. Finally, repeat these exercises until you can easily sing any solfege syllable correctly with only a given starting pitch. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Remember to give yourself a little grace, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Class dismissed.